Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello friends. Let's learn the names of fruit today. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, pear, strawberry, pineapple, watermelon, coconut, kiwi, melon, mango, cherries, lemon, plum, peach, blueberries, grapefruit, raspberry. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Great job, friends!